Watch this only if you have massive dreams and you want to get rich instantly in your 20s. If you want a comfortable 9 to 5 job, then click away immediately from this video because this video is not for you. Still here? That means you are ready to build real and uncheckable wealth. Well, did you know 99% of the people stay broke because they rely on only one income source? Relying on one income stream today is complete financial suicide. One bad day at work or one market crash and your money drops absolutely zero. But when you build multiple income streams, no one can ever take your freedom away. So go grab your notebook because I'm going to tell you exact blueprint to dominate your 20s. Step 1 is to launch single core business that will bring you steady cash, consistent cash every month. Because you need main engine before you try anything else. Do not wait for the perfect time or thousands of dollars. Because perfect time does not exist. Start with whatever skills you have, whatever tools you have in your hands today. Every massive empire started as small and messy ideas. So the moment your business finally makes its first dollar, your mindset shifts completely forever. Yes, and you realize that you are in full control of your income. Master on your daily operation, focus on great quality and build a real brand because this business is your main operation and this will work like a cash machine to start and operate for the next income source. For the next income source, you need funds, and from where you will get the fund? From this main business. Yes? Step number 2 is to film your journey. Turn your hard work into content. So if you're already running a business and not filming it, you are wasting free money. Yes, you are wasting free money because content creation is the highest paying skill for generations. So start creating contents and start posting your hard work. If you don't have camera, it's okay. You have a smartphone, that is more than enough to start. Yes, document your real process, your real struggle and your real life because people love to see the authentic and real process rather than perfect lifestyles. As your audience grow, you unlock ad revenues, brand deals and massive opportunities. And yeah, so your online presence doubles your income without adding any extra inventory cost. Yes. And yeah, once you build personal brand, you will never have to hunt for money again. Step number 3 is to stop buying luxuries just to look rich. Instead, buy assets, or you can invest your income which you have earned from content or from business to generate another income source and to start a new business so that you can multiply your business rather than stuck on being that. When your money starts generating its own income, that means you win the game of your life. When you don't have to work to pay bills, you work because you want to work. So your 20s are not meant for playing safe. Your 20s are for building an empire. So you don't need permission from anyone to take care and to control your own financial freedom. You need to start from today. So your task is to like this video and subscribe so that we can see you soon in our next video. Let's grow together.